Welcome to check video of Mikrosize VMC 3020 video measuring machine. The VMC 3020 imaging instrument is composed of a CCD camera, a zoom objective lens, a data processing system, and a high-precision work table. The 7x4, 5x manual zoom lens is easy to operate, has a large zoom range, high imaging quality, and strong stability. The Z-axis features high movement precision, quick response, convenient and stable operation, and also supports jog adjustment. Precision linear guide rails are adopted, enabling the X and Y axis to move accurately, smoothly, and durably. It adopts a 5-ring 8-zone to 5/6 level surface light and a parallel bottom light source, which provide uniform illumination, clearly outline the contours, and improve the imaging quality. There are multiple ways to control the work table. You can click on the image area to move it, or move it via the control area and the handle. The software supports the measurement of a variety of geometric elements, including points, lines, circles, arcs, ellipses, rectangles, etc.